Yo guys, this is my first video I'm making and I will be doing a true triple katana showcase. Okay, so the first movie is the X move, obviously. It's Wolfang Rush and there's the tap version. 5k damage, okay. And now the old version, same amount, okay. And now there's the X move, tap version. 5.3k, okay. And now the um the whole version. Yeah, this movie is actually oh shoot, that actually did a lot. 5.8k. Okay, so the old version does more damage than the tap version. I did not know that. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. See you.